Okay, to show you how to copy this data into a spreadsheet or a different program, let's take a look at the data set here. So you can, of course, see your data set is right over here. Next to it, you have this little icon, which is, to help you copy your table. So if you click on it, it gives you the option of copying to clipboard or to Excel. We're not using StatCrunch right now, so I wouldn't show you that. If you want to use it in Excel, if you have Excel, on your computer or laptop, you can go ahead and say open in Excel. It'll download a file, and then you can go ahead and open it. And you can see it copies all of your data values in there. Just enable to editing, and then you can go ahead and perform whatever calculations you need to. Your other option would be to copy to clipboard. So click on this, and then just use the Control C on your keyboard to copy the data. And then if you are using Google Sheets, and looks like I already had it in here, but I'll show you how to do that. So since we already copied it over here, once you come to your Google Sheets, again, just use Control V to paste it, or, of course, you can use the paste option from here as well, but it will help you copy your data over to, the spreadsheet program, and then you can go ahead and perform whatever calculations you need to. So like this one is asking you to go ahead and add up all the numbers, so you can go ahead and add up all of these numbers, or of course you can use the built-in functions that are available in Excel and in Google Sheets. But that's how you're supposed to copy your data over to either Excel or Google Sheets. So I hope this helps, guys. Take care and good luck. Bye-bye.